Hello everyone! I hope you are all doing well today. So today I want to show you my keyboard. So this is how it looks like. It's kind of a big one. And there's my guitar in my guitar case. But today I want to teach you what are the notes on the piano keys or the keyboard keys. So let's take a look at this keyboard. Okay. Can you tell if there's a pattern going on between the black notes? That's my hint for you. There is a special pattern going on. So if you can see, there are sets of 2 black keys and then 3 black keys and then 2 and again 3, 2, 3. So let's see. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 3. If you look at the very front, there's 2, 3, 2, and there's only one here, but that's just because we ran out of space. But we have to imagine there are 2 more, so there's actually, if it's just as if there were 3. All right. So here's the first thing I'm going to teach you. Wherever you see 2, like right here, for example, the first white key on the in front of that black key in that set is always C. Wherever you see 2. So this one is C. We'll move to these 2. That's C. And that's C. The same thing for the bottom. That's C, a very low C. If I stand a little back, like this, you can see that the middle, this is right in the middle of my keyboard, and this C is usually called middle C. If you remember from my previous videos and what we learned in class, the musical alphabet is very short. It is only A through G. So, if we start on middle C, and we keep on going up the alphabet, so C, D, E, F, G. After G, we go to A, B, we're at another C, D, E, F, G, and we just keep on going. If we go back to our middle C right here, and we go backwards, we're just going backwards in the alphabet. So C, B, A, G, because that's how we end the alphabet on G. We start on A, so that's A. We go backwards, back to G, F, E, D, and C. So that is how you can find the piano notes. Another way I like to remember is by remembering the pattern. So let's go back to our pattern. So we remember that the 2 notes, whenever you see the 2 notes, the first white key underneath is C. Now, every time we see the white key in between the 2, kind of like, I think of a bunny rabbit with ears. So that is the letter D. So C, D. This is also D. And here's another D. D. The letter E is always the last white key following the pair of two black keys. So this one's always E. Or very low. That's E. Now, if we go to the set of our 3 black keys, wherever we see 3 black keys, the first white key is F. That is our F. All right. So let's go back here. In the first half, as if we were to separate these two, right? This one, this white key is always G. Right there, or lower, same thing. And then when we look at our 3s again, the next white one is A, because after G we go to A. That's an A, 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 and A. And here's something interesting. Remember when I said that we have to imagine that the 2 other black keys are missing? So we have to pretend there are 3. So if there are 3 here, right? This first white key in our keyboard, since it's the very first key, is actually A. 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 There we go. And our last note that we will go over, so we go back to our 3, our pair of 3, or our set of 3, and that is the letter B. So the last white key that follows the pairs of 3s is the letter B. B and B. So there you have all your piano letter notes. If you remember when I showed you in the other videos of treble clef and bass clef, usually treble clef is for our right hand. So if our music staff is showing us to play C, D, E, F, G, right? And it would start on middle C, this is what we would play. Alright, if we are doing bass clef, and we have the same letters, right? But lower, we would do it with our left hand. So now to go over everything we learned, we're going to start on middle C and go up C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now we'll go back to middle C and we'll go a little bit backwards. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video lesson and that you learned something new. Until next time, bye!